Unless we start drawing with the polyline function, every segment of the project will be a single line. However, we can use the convert to polyline function to transform this sequence of lines into a polyline. For this, first I click on the convert to polyline icon. Then I have to select the lines which I want to convert to a polyline, and then right click with the mouse. Now if I click on any of these lines, you'll see that all of them are connected as a polyline. With this tool I can also create two separated polylines. First I undo to recover the lines. Click on the tool and then select two non-connected sequences of lines. If I right-click now, I will have created two different polylines.